Okay, this is I'm Johnny Joseph. Welcome to Johnny's Kitchen. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് പിzzയാണ്. പിസ്സ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടാത്ത ആരും തന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല. സാധാരണ നമ്മൾ പിസ്സ കടയിൽ പോയി വാങ്ങിക്കും. ഇറ്റ്സ് മച്ച് ഈസി, ഗിവ് ദ മണി ആൻഡ് ബൈ ദ പിസ്സ. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ വെച്ച് തന്നെ പിസ്സ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. This sounds like a very difficult process. No, it is very simple process. So there are two ways we can do it. One, we can buy the dough from the store, or you can make the dough yourself. It's a much easier thing is to buy the dough from the store. Very cheap. You buy the dough, then bring the dough into your house, and you can make at the house. So today I am going to make the pizza in house. Okay. So first thing, we need a couple of things. I told you first we need the dough. Then we have to make a flat based on the your likings. Some people like a round, some people like a square, whatever you like it. You can make it with the dough. Then the toppings, you must have this sauce. Today I am going to use the roasted garlic sauce from Emirates. If you want some spicy thing, then get some hot and sweet jalapeno and mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, tomatoes. Some people like pepperoni. Okay, now I am going to make the pizza. Means I am going to flatten the pizza. So I am going to call my wife to help. Now I am going to make it flat. Don't put too much pressure. Just little bit like that. So basically I'm going to make a personal pan pizza. You have to put some oil so that make it easier for you. Otherwise it's going to be stick. That's much easier.
Olive oil.
Olive oil is better. I'm not going to make it too thin. Beautiful. Just like a round. The oven is ready. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. And we are going to put on the be careful, don't burn your pan. So just like that, we put it on, and you can put the other stuff later on. When it's cooked, then you can put it later on. You have to take that from, and we have to flip this one.
Like that.
So this side is ready. Put the sauce first. Okay, this is the sauce, and mozzarella cheese. And pepperoni. Put the tomatoes on top of the now this ready to cook the other side. 1 2 3.
Okay.
So now it's over here another 3 minutes. Okay, now it's 5 minutes is over. So the back of the pizza is ready. The back of the pizza is brown. It's like this is the right timing. Okay, now the pizza is ready. So I'm going to cut. If you have the pizza cutter, that's good. But I couldn't find mine, so I'm going to use my knife. So right now I'm going to cut 4 pieces. That's
So crispy and mine
So
is
crispy.
spicy.
better than buying from a store,
Sure.
a deli.
Hot.
This is good
Spicy
and it's
sweet.
all healthy. The dough itself has rosemary and all kind of herbs. So this is good. If you have any
So crunchy.
questions,
Crust.
you can ask. I will help to
So good.
explain. Good and delicious. Good for your health. Okay? Bye. See you
Healthy
next time.
pizza.
Okay, one more thing. When I put the the pizza, you soak up the pieces of chicken. Yes, this is the pieces of chicken. I am also making jerk chicken, Jamaica jerk chicken. So you need this one, the red stripe. This is the ingredient. Goes with the chicken. So the making the jerk chicken, that's another episode. I will tell you how to make it. Okay.